Chai, are your evenings more draining than restful, rushed, noisy, or full of screens? Tonight, I'll guide you into a calm, gentle space. A space where your breath softens, your body unwinds, and the constant noise of the day finally fades. Together, we'll walk through a simple digital detox routine that feels warm and cozy, not strict or overwhelming. Welcome back to SoulShower Studio. If you're new here, I'm so glad you're joining us. This place is for busy women, moms, and anyone longing for a gentler rhythm. In this video, we'll walk through a slow, mindful evening routine that helps ease screen overload and daily stress. You'll learn how to set the mood, wind down without force, and settle into sleep with more ease. We'll talk about gentle lighting, soothing scents, and calming activities that help you shift away from the constant pull of your phone. All right, take a breath. Let's start. Why do evenings feel so overwhelming? Evenings should feel quiet, but for many of us, they feel heavy and loud. There's planning for the next day. There are messages you didn't answer. There's news, social media, and that endless scroll that tricks your brain into staying alert. Screens give your mind constant stimulation. Blue light wakes up the brain. Notifications spike your stress. And the mental load keeps you wired long after you want to rest. If you're a busy woman juggling work, home, family, and everyone else's needs, your nervous system rarely gets to settle. But here's the good part. You don't need a strict no screens after 7 p.m. rule. You just need gentle cues that tell your body, you're safe now. It's time to slow down. Softness works better than force. A calm environment makes unplugging feel natural, not painful. So let's build that calm environment together. Step 1. Prepare your space for quiet. Start by dimming the lights. Your eyes relax when light grows warm and soft. You can use a small table lamp, a dimmable bulb, or a salt lamp. A Himalayan glow salt lamp works well here. It gives off a gentle amber light that feels warm and grounding. Now add a soothing scent. Scents go straight to the brain's emotional center. Choose something comforting and steady. I love lavender or chamomile in the evening. Plant therapy has beautiful essential oils that feel clean and calming, especially their lavender fine and German chamomile. You can place a few drops in a diffuser or create a roller blend. We have a video on essential oil blends if you would like to dive deeper into the world of aromatherapy. As you set the scene, take one slow breath, then another. Let the warm light and soft scent become your first signal that the day is ending. Step 2. The gentle digital wind down. You don't have to quit screens suddenly. Instead, set a soft stop. A soft stop means, I'm choosing to slow down now, not, I'm forcing myself to stop. Try this. Pick a time that feels doable, something like 30 minutes before bed. Then lower your screen brightness. Most phones have a warm night mode you can turn on. Next, place your phone somewhere out of reach. A small tray or basket in another room works perfectly. If you use a sleep device, this is a great time to switch over. The Hatch Restore can help you step away from your phone with soft lights and gentle sounds. Once your screen is off, pause for 1 minute. Feel your jaw. Feel your shoulders. Let everything drop just a little. This tiny pause helps your brain shift from doing into resting. Step 3. Mindful body reset. Now that the mind is quieter, let's support the body. Start with a simple stretch. Roll your shoulders. Stretch the back of your neck. Release your jaw. These small movements tell your nervous system that you're safe and at home. If your body feels tight or heavy, place a soft blanket around your shoulders. A gentle throw, like the BedSure blanket, feels cozy without trapping heat. And if you want a deeper calming effect, use a weighted blanket. The Baloo weighted blanket gives a comforting pressure that helps the body let go. Stay here for a moment. Let your breath steady you. Step 4. A calm follow-up activity. This step is the heart of your digital detox. You're replacing stimulation with relaxation. Choose one calming activity that feels easy tonight. Option 1. Tea ritual. Make a cup of herbal tea, something warm and soothing. The steam alone helps the mind slow down. Hold the cup, smell it, take one mindful sip. That's all you need. Option 2. Gentle journaling. Write for just 3 lines. Simple, short, honest. You can use a journal you already love. Or you can try one of the SoulShower studio journals if you want something gentle and guided. Graceful gratitude is perfect for a warm, grateful moment before bed. And simple pause is great for free writing when your mind needs space. Option 3. A quiet hobby. Pick something your hands enjoy. Light knitting, soft drawing, a small puzzle, something calm and steady. Option 4. Light reading. Choose a calming book. Avoid heavy topics or work-related themes. Pick something that feels cozy and sweet. Any one of these activities helps your brain shift from stimulation to rest. And the final step. Gentle closing ritual. Every evening needs a closing ritual. A tiny, repeatable moment that tells your body, "Good job today. It's time to rest." Here are a few options. Option 1. Candle blowout ritual. Light a small candle during your detox. When you're ready for bed, blow it out with slow intention. Watch the smoke drift. Let that moment be your signal that the day is closing. Option 2. One-sentence intention. Sit on your bed. Place one hand on your heart. Say one sentence that feels steady. Something like, "I'm safe now," or "My day is done," or "I can rest now." Option 3. Tiny body scan. Move your awareness from your feet to your head, slow and calm. No judgment, just noticing. These small closing rituals help your mind settle, and when repeated often, they become anchors for true rest. All right, let's wrap things up. Your evenings matter. They shape how you sleep, how you wake, and how your mind resets between long, busy days. You don't need a perfect routine. You don't need strict rules. You just need gentle cues that remind your body to slow down. Try 1 or 2 of these steps tonight. Add more as you go. Let the routine grow with you. And remember, small steps count. A dim light, a warm scent, a quiet minute. These tiny things add up to real, deep rest. Thank you for spending this quiet moment with me. If you'd like to explore any of the tools I mentioned, you'll find all the product links in the video description. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos from SoulShower Studio, where we continue to nourish your soul, one drop at a time. See you next time.